I think hindi ako naniniwala na mabait si BBM. Kasi, bakit niya ginawa ito kay Sara Duterte? He begged her. He begged her to be his running mate. Or siya ang vice president kung tatakbo si Sara president. Sara slid down. There were only 4 people in that room. BBM,
Were you there?
I mean, person A, and Sara. The person A told me. So, pinagbigyan ka na without even conditions kung kanino yung secretary of ganito, portfolio akin, ganyan. Wala daw demand si Sara Duterte. Tapos within 1 year, sinaksak mo na. Pinalitan mo yung speaker, dapat si GMA yung speaker. Kasi ang gusto talaga ni Martin Luther King Romualdez, siya ang speaker because he wanted to be the next president. So inintriga niya ngayon si BBM. Na yan, si Sara, sasaksakin ka niya, she's gonna topple you. Hello? Kung gusto siyang itapol ni Sara, why didn't she just run in the first place for president? Nandun na yun sa kanya, na silver, golden platter.